In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a WordPress website with Hostgator using AI technology in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for a quick setup, this guide will walk you through each step with ease. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Hostgator's website, where all the magic will begin. Simply open your web browser, type in Hostgator's URL, and navigate to their homepage. From here, you'll see the Sign In button prominently displayed on the site's menu. Go ahead and click on it. If you don't yet have an account, you'll need to sign up, but for today, let's assume you've already taken care of that step. Once logged in, navigate to the Hostgator home interface. This is your main dashboard where you can manage all the hosting details for your sites. You'll find a website option here, so click on that to continue. This will lead you to the section where all your website settings and options are found. It's a pretty intuitive interface and you'll soon get the hang of it if this is your first time. Next, look for the settings link. It's typically easy to spot, and clicking on it will open up a new realm of configurations from which you can start managing your site's key features. Now, you'll want to locate the advanced section. Clicking on advanced might seem technical, but don't worry. It just means you're getting closer to some of the deeper customization options available for your website. Once you're in the advanced settings, you'll find a Manage button available. When you click this, it takes you into a more comprehensive management area. This is where you'll be directly handling the setup for your new WordPress site. Now comes the exciting part. Scroll to find the WordPress Manager by Softaculous. Softaculous is a handy tool that automates the installation of various web applications, including WordPress. Click on it and you'll soon see the Install button. A simple press on this button launches the installation wizard for WordPress. From here, you'll need to fill out some basic details such as your site name, a brief description, the admin username, and a strong password. It's important to choose a secure password to keep your website safe from potential threats. After filling in the necessary fields, you can hit Install once again. Softaculous will take it from here, installing WordPress onto your website in just a few moments. Congratulations! You've now set up your WordPress site using Hostgator in no time at all. All that's left to do is begin customizing and creating content for your amazing new website. Thanks for watching. Make sure to explore Hostgator's other features to enhance your online presence. Happy blogging!